Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first video on this channel for quite some time. It's going to be an unboxing. As you can see, we've got the box there. It looks small, but it might contain something pretty damn good. Now, it's been quite some time, as I've alluded to, and the main reason for that is that I hadn't actually bought any silver, so I didn't have a video to put up there, and I didn't want to put something for the sake of it, okay? But now I do have some silver, I've got some video. But I have been thinking over the last couple of weeks that I will start to add some other videos that are like connected to this journey. And I'm thinking about putting up a video in about a week or so where I'm going to be debating and giving my views on why I think other people collect silver and my views on those strategies, what I think about them. That might be controversial, some people might not agree with it, but I thought it might be interesting just to give my take on the whole, why I believe other people collect silvers and what I think of those strategies, okay? So if you've got any thoughts on other videos you'd like to hear my opinion on. Now, I'm by no means a silver expert. There's plenty of other guys on YouTube who have got hundreds and hundreds of ounces and they've been collecting for decades or whatever. Now, I'm new to this. You can see from my channel, I only started it beginning of the year. There's only a few videos, and it's I'm a novice, but I'm trying to display my journey and give my thoughts surrounding that. So if you've got any ideas for videos of things you want me to discuss, talk about, feel free to jump down to the comment section and let me know. As well as obviously let me know what you think about the piece that I've purchasing and going to show you today in this unboxing. So, in previous videos I discussed my actual strategy for stacking, and for me, my strategy was that I was going to purchase things that I like. I felt, if I'm not going to buy things that I like, then it's going to be a struggle for me to keep going. Like anything, like if you don't like something, why would you continue doing it? So for me, the onus was to find pieces that I get excited about, and that's why in the previous unboxing we had this video, and it was the Queen's Beast 10 ounce coin. This is an absolute thing of beauty. I have this on my desk so I can look at it every single day when I'm working, and every now and again I do look over and I pick it up and I just reflect the light and I think that's a wonderful piece. Now if I get a coin, something else, so this is a 10p coin, this is just for purposes of scale. You can see that's a 10p coin in the UK, worth nothing, 10p, okay? But that's how you can see the sense of scale on this 10 ounce super Queen's Beast coin, okay? But anyway, so I decided that I was going to get things that, really float my boat, things that, get me excited, and, things that I want to look at. I spent some time thinking, and I almost bought a Scottsdale Tombstone nugget, but the company that I was purchasing it from, contacted me a couple of weeks later and said, oh, we actually haven't got it, that's why we haven't dispatched it. So I wasn't too happy about that. But anyway, I bought this one from goldsilver.be, got a fantastic price for it actually. Now, this new unboxing that we're going to go through today, I actually bought from a company called Bleyer Bullion, I think it's called Bleyer Bullion in the UK. Now, it was dispatched on the same day and it came, 2 days later. It had I didn't pay extra for shipping. It came in with the price, but what I paid for this product was, I paid over the odds, to be perfectly honest. I paid over the odds for it, but that's the market for this piece at the moment. And to be perfectly honest, I just decided that I wanted to get this piece. When I want something, I just have to go and get it, even if it is a terrible deal. You know, I decided there wasn't any other piece that I wanted at this moment. I wanted to buy silver, and I was like, I'm going to buy this. And as I say, my strategy is to buy things that I want for my collection. So, you know, this is what this comes in, you know, and you'll have, if you've watched my previous video, when I got this bad boy, came in a massive box full of polystyrene nuggets or whatever they're called, huge. This is just coming like a cardboard sleeve. So let's just undo this one and see what we've got. So I've got a knife, and I'm just gonna carefully, it's very well sellotaped. It's very well sellotaped. Yeah, it's taped, and it's got this absolutely terrifyingly tight other form of tape. So right, well, we've managed to get it undone. Let's just see if there's any invoice before we. Oh, I can't actually open it yet. Right. Sorry about this, folks. Right, so I've got the invoice. Just quickly have a browse at this, just to see if there's any thoughts, comments. Right, so they've got the order, and they've got a handwritten comment that says, "Many thanks for your order. We hope you're happy with your purchase!" Exclamation mark, smiley face, and this is by someone called Robin. So that's always good to hear. And there is a business card there that comes with it. It's pretty cool, pretty nice card there. You know, the graphics of the two coins is pretty neat, like that. So we'll just do that there. So what have we got here? Let's move this one out of the way, because this is it's yesterday's news. So let's see what we've got. And pull this out. Oh, it does look something similar. So again, see if we can do this with the old scissors this time. Put them down there. And we will get cracking with this one. That there, and let's have a look at what we've got today. Wow. So this one, we went for the lion. The lion, and this is obviously the first coin in the Queen's Beast collection, 2017. And that's obviously why I had to pay more. So I paid significantly more for the lion than I did for the griffin. But you know that was a test, and then I've decided that I'll go with this one. I like it. I love the old lion. So, you know, again, we can see it says Lion of England, 10 ounce, fine silver, 0.999.9, and then it says 2017 JC, the artist at the bottom. And you can just see some of the detail there. If we try and get in real close, that shield is pretty fantastic. You've got the mane around the lion. Wowzers. Got the paw there, which looks pretty damn neat, and the towel coming around the back of the shield. I mean, the detail in these is absolutely, you know, unbelievable. And then we've got the back here, which is the £10. You know, you've got that information there, and you got the Queen there. Again, we've got this kind of like matted. I'm quite sure what the term is for that, but it's pretty fantastic. I mean, let's just have a look and see if it's what differences we've got. So it's actually different. the background predominantly, I think. Yeah, as you can see with the Griffin, you've got quite like a dotted pixel design there, where this is kind of almost, I mean, I can't think what the word is now off the top of my head, but it looks like, you know, if you were doing art and you got a sponge and you were on the paint, it's again, it's pretty fantastic detail that you just don't really expect. And you know, when you're seeing it at this sort of size, I mean, that's the difference between this and, you know, some of the 1 ounce coins. You know, they're well worth getting the larger coins, in my opinion. You know, obviously, if you can get them at a great price, you know, that makes it all the better. But even, you know, the price that I paid, I'm, you know, happy, because it's just a wonderful, wonderful, beautiful piece of silver, which I will enjoy looking at over and over again as it forms, you know, a collection of pieces that I am picking up. So let me know what you think about this 10 ounce piece that I've added to my stack now. What do you think about the lion? You know, do you prefer it? What do you think? What do you think's better? You know, when you look at, you know, those two pieces, they're two fantastic pieces. What's better? Let me know what you think is the best piece and what you think about this piece. And obviously, going back to what I said at the start of the video, if you want me to discuss my thoughts on anything to do with silver, you know, before I get my next piece, because that, you know, it could be a couple of months before I end up getting another piece of silver. Once I've decided on something that I genuinely like, you know, I'm considering getting the other 10 ounce beast, which is available, which I think is the dragon, maybe. I'm considering getting that at some point. But as I say, I'm looking for substantial pieces. You've got any recommendations for substantial, you know, these sort of size pieces, you know? Let me know in the comment section below. But as I say, any thoughts on topics of discussion, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to, you know, start the debate. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll see you soon.